Hey, it's Sherman, and welcome to another episode of the Golden Spirit Homestead. All right, guys. So last time I was up here, you guys, I was up at the land, bringing the trailer back down to Phoenix so I can start getting some work done on it. And today is that day. So let me show you what it looks like now. All right. So as you can see, the roof membrane is in bad condition. But as you can see, I started removing it when I was up at the land. And what I'm going to do now, the first project is to get that membrane removed. So what I got to do is get these side railings down the side. I got to remove those. On this side, I got to remove the awning. Once I remove the awning, there's another little trim track in the front, and then this one back here in the back. I have to remove. Then once I get that removed, I'll be able to scrape up, remove that membrane that's up there, and then I can get a good look at what the wood looks like. So that's what I'm about to get started doing. It's a beautiful day, and so I'm going to spend the rest of the day doing that. All right, let's get to work. So what I got to do first is take this awning down. I got to remove that. And then right there, that little railing that's up under there, that's what's got to come off in order to remove the membrane from the roof. So right now, I'm going to try to get this taken down. All righty, let's see how we're going to get this off. Let's go get some tools. So I got to disconnect the arms. Okay. Got that released. See if I can get the back released. Okay. Alrighty. Now get this end. This end down here should be about released. Okay, got that one disconnected. It's gonna be a treat getting this down, though. It's gonna be a treat. It's gonna be a treat. One man show. Actually, I like to go this way. Yep, this one is damaged, but I should be able to repair that. Go down here and take this one off. This one is in excellent condition. That's how it's supposed to look. I'll get that other one looking like this. All right. Last thing I need to take off is the whole arm or the roller. Okay, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't break something trying to get this down. All right, got it down. Okay, so that's what I got to remove now. That little trim piece. So once I get that trim piece removed, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. I'm not going to film that, but I'm going to get that removed, and then this side will be complete, and then we'll start on the others. All right, see you in a little bit. I've got on this side, it's a drip railing, and I got that drip railing removed. I also have removed the ladder. So the ladder's been removed. And then the little trim piece on this side. Now all I have to do is get up here and start removing the membrane. And then I can get to the wood and see how much damage has been done. All right, gang, I spent a lot of time yesterday getting the membrane removed off the travel trailer, and now it's down to bare wood. The good thing is I do have to replace part of, some wood, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So let me show you what it looks like now that I have everything removed. As you can see, all the membrane has been removed. Up front, it's not as bad as I thought. That little light spot right there, when I was removing the membrane, some of it was pulling up pieces of the wood, and that's what you see, that's light. So but right there, that's an area that's going to have to be cut out and replaced. Over on this side, that needs to be cut out and replaced. And then all the way back here, that board that goes all the way across right there, I'm going to have to replace that whole piece. But other than that, it's not too bad. I'm excited to have gotten this far, and I'm ready to get this bad boy fixed and a new roof on it and move on to the next. So there you have it. So the next thing that I'm going to do probably won't be till this weekend. What I'm going to jump on is start cutting out the bad wood and replacing it with good wood. So that's next. All right.